You are welcome to comedy. I am your principal. You fuck up, I pick you up.
Oh shit!
Hey! What did I do now? What did I do now? What did I do now?
They asked me a question for class.
Uh-huh.
Teacher said 2 + 2. I said 5. None of you get mind to laugh me for class. You know me?
But the answer is not 5 now. It's 4 now.
Who asked you whether the answer? You will see what I will do to you today. 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 You know why they come here? About the area scatter.
It's not 5.
Everybody in the class kept quiet. None of you sabi correct person.
It's 4 now. 2 + 2 is not 4.
Can't somebody make me say
That's the 5.
am I not a human being? Follow like this.
I say I want to follow. What do you mean?
You know you can be prosecuted for that.
Ordinary 2 + 6. No. Don't say Olodo.
Don't worry, I will catch you again in school tomorrow. Ugly, see your ugly face.
Don't read your book.
You are lucky that I don't used to beat women. Here's my bag that I kept here.
What are you looking for?
Good afternoon, Chairman. I'm looking for my bag, one black bag like that, school bag I kept here.
Black bag like this. One I book you ain't carry truck. I don't say just carry a cargo.
Hey! Jesus!
You were not informed too. Eh?
You be mumu.
Me.